Hey, who want smoke? Yeah, you know I got some more. Yeah, yeah. If niggas break the code, yeah, y'all better let me know.
Hey yo! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Third rule of the leaf, Uriform.
I am back with another. I'm back with another episode of African Language Rizz World Cup. Yeah, guys, I'm back. If you missed the Zulu and the Nigerian Rizz World Cup, the Nigerian Rizz game, like, you're missing out. Like, you're beyond missing out. You gotta catch up to the world because, damn, it's pushing. It's pushing. Like, we're doing the ones, guys. We're doing the ones. It's on. It's on, guys. It just keeps getting better. I keep getting comfortable. My spirit keeps getting better when I come on behind the camera. Shout out to everyone showing love. Shout out to everyone showing support. Shout out to the people who take their time and view. Shout out. You matter still, bruh. Shout out to the person that's saying, nah, this guy's whack. Now you matter, bruh. Nalam, you matter. Shout out to everyone, guys. And most of all, shout out to my mom, guys. Today, my mom woke me up to a very nice voice note, guys.
So proud of you, mntanami. Kancane kancane kuzawuhlangana mntanami. Kancane kuzawuhlangana. Ivision yakho izakwenzeka. Yamazi uThixo mntanami. Simbonile for 18 years esebenza. Uzawuhlangana mcetha. I'm so proud of you. Ngiseselapha emagwini.
From my mom, shout out to that lady, bro. Me and her have been through a lot for 18 years, bro. For 18 years, my mom raised me alone. So shout out to that woman. I love her. Everything I'm doing for her, everything I'm doing it for her, guys. You feel me? So yeah, guys, not that I want you guys to feel sorry for me or anything. Nah, shout out to my mom. Shout out to Oleti, bras. Shout out to Oleti. I'm grateful for having that woman in my life. Shout out to Oleti, bras. You guys don't understand, but like, we're not here for that. Us just sharing like a piece where like niggas could like try maybe like, you feel me? Try to like get it also, like with whatever they're doing, like try to like engage, bro. Try to push, bro. Try, if you're doing music, if you're doing content, if you're studying, if you're rewriting, if you failed, if you like, no matter what, bro, just keep locking in, bro. Keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding, because you never know what the world holds for you in the next 5 years with whatever you do. Not even 5 years. 5 years is a lot. Just give it like 6 months, not even 6 months, just give it like a year. You see a difference, guys. You'll see a difference. Just try. You're selling a clothing brand, you're starting a clothing brand from a small clothing brand. You're just starting it. Push, guys, push. You don't know what the world has for you, bro. You don't know, bro. Your future hasn't been saved, it hasn't been determined, it hasn't been predicted, bro. It has been predicted, and like, your future has been predicted. Your future, your dreams, everything has been predicted. That's why you have the dream you have. It has been predicted. It's a sign from the Almighty God. Lock in. You just need to execute. You have the prediction. You have the vision. Just execute. That's all I have to say, guys. So like, yeah, guys, I'm also doing like a young thing. Decided to start a podcast. Yeah, got like some few people here. Currently like group of 5. So yeah, guys, we're starting a podcast called Yep Hour. Please tap in, find us on TikTok. It's still under construction. Give it like 5 months, 3, 2, I don't know. It's still under construction. It depends on how long things go good. Take time to go. So like, guys, So like, yeah, guys, this is the video. Yep, this is just like a clip behind the scenes, like when working. Yeah, guys. So like, yeah, guys, we out of that. We're doing the Swahili reaction today. Want to see? We told you guys that it's Africa. You thought I was kidding when I was like every language. Hey, brah, me, I'm here to learn, brah. Me, I'm gonna be trying the what is Swahili? Is it in Kenya? I think it's in Kenya. I don't know. I failed geography in high school. That's why I didn't take it. I failed geography, so I don't know. I think it's in tourism, it's in Kenya. I'm proud to say that. Tourism, it's in Kenya. Shut up. Yeah, guys. So like, yeah, guys. Now we're gonna tap in. Sorry for not telling you guys. I'm sorry. Come on. I'm sorry. Come on. Yeah, guys. So like, yeah, we're hitting the Swahili. We have a beautiful lady here. Yeah, it's gonna show in the clip here. We have a beautiful lady. She wants to say something in Swahili. Let's get into it. Nah. Okay. Nah. I'm looking in harder, guys. Harder. Ask easy, guys. It's been an emotional day for me. I can't lie. Let's get into it.
I speak Swahili.
Say something to me in Swahili and let me know what she's saying in the comments.
Kijana mrembo amekuja hapa kuniongelesha.
I'm charmed. No, I'm charmed. I don't know what you said, but I'm charmed. I feel like that's like tough. That's tough. I'm not gonna sleep on them just because I don't understand what they say now. That's tough. That's tough, bro. Did you see that? Like, what matters, bro? Man, sometimes what matters is not what you say, it's how you deliver it. Yeah, it's how you deliver it. Bro, you're not gonna tell me now you want to deliver like a line whereby you're gonna be like, yo, I fuck with you, man. And you just be like, I fuck with you, bro. Like, it's the way you deliver it, bro. Like, oh, come on, bro, I fuck with you, bro. Like, that ass. Like, I'm actually genuine about this. You feel me? Something like that. You feel? Like, how you deliver it and the way she delivered it, like the way she delivered it, it made me like, cause like I was focused on her eyes. I don't think you guys focused on her eyes. I was focused on her face. Mine is oh, sorry guys, I was disturbed. Like I had to handle a situation, a very important situation, but I'm back. So like, yeah guys, what was my chat on? Oh, the way she delivered it, bro. Mine's the captions. If it's the caption, I don't know what it's called. Those words, those things. Yeah, mine's that, bro. Like, bro, the way she delivered it, bro. Look at her face, bro. I'm saying, I'd fold live. Me, I'm folding. Me, I'm folding live. I'm not taking, hey, I'm folding. Mommy, I'm folding. Mommy, I'm folding. Live. For the fact that she's not from South Africa. Nah, I'm trying to get me like some different type of me, you feel me? Different type of me, you feel me? Shut your let me see what the black kid can do, bro. Let me see what that black kid can actually do, like, like, you feel me, bro? Yeah, bro. How it's gonna look when it's black and white. If you don't get it, forget about it. I don't have to tell you again. Next video. Mambo. So, Mambo.
Kwani umetoka West Africa? Jueni mali.
You see what I'm saying, Chad? A win is a win. A win is a win. No matter what you said, a win is a win, bro. If she folded, bro, like literally that nigga got her to smile, bro. I don't know what he said. I'm still on that chat. I don't know what he said, but she still got the chance to smile. I don't know what she said. It's because of the way the nigga, like the Bruella, like delivered it, bro. Like the way you deliver something, bro. Cause like now, bro, you chilling there, bro. Hi, bro. That's a friendly hi. Hi, and phone. Hi, hello. Hi. You don't even need to like. Nah, if you do those things, don't do them. Just hi. No, Tinaga starting a straight face thing. Tinaga, me, I'm different, guys. Cause I'm Xhosa, and I've that Xhosa thing in me, bruh. I wouldn't mind, man. Did you hi to you, Charlie? Yo maske belo week unxibe for don't twirl endaba nawe funa isiqhubekeke ubomi bami bethu bonke yabo bezinjalo. I wouldn't mind saying that, but like in some it depends on the situation, depends on but like the way you deliver something, bro, the way hi chum njani man yo sabona ukukhapha man awusemhle ngibani igama lakho man mnanami yabo isn't ezinjalo, bro. How you deliver something, it's all about you delivering. I feel like here, bro, I'm getting some tips. You see there I was getting lines, Nigerian and Zulu I was getting lines. Here I'm getting tips. You see, when I get there by Angola or Kenya there, Inglés o Bembleto, Pariato, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm saying. Next video.
Niko na kichwani.
Nika na kuchani.
Monica, niko na mashilingi kichwani, lakini unlike these other men, niko na kichwani kwa mfuko.
Wow.
Okay. You see now that's gonna take a point off from the thing. Nah, that's straight. I don't know what that nigga's doing. That's straight up bullshit, bro. I can't lie. I don't know what he said. Nah, that's the thing. I think I didn't understand, bro. I didn't understand. The first two they cooked, that hand, I fuck with that. I folded, personally. I folded, bro. Like, if anyone knows what that means, bro, I folded, bro. That ass, bro. Let me know, bro. I folded. Live. But, like, what that other nigga was saying. Okay, then there was that other nigga who delivered that other one to that beat Mambo. Yeah, Mambo. That nigga, you see that nigga? That nigga cooked. You see now, this one now, like your man watching, I don't know what he's saying. But I feel like he's talking about yeah. You know how the niggas are, they like yeah. Is. Only is. You niggas love is. Leave is, bruh. Like, niggas gonna start living without is, bruh. I'm telling you, you can close without is, bruh. You can. Oh nah. It's Mambo again. I guess Mambo is the Rizz Lord of thing. Like he's the Rizz, the top dog of Rizz in Kenya. I feel like he's the top dog in Rizz. But like I think let's get into it.
Unaweza nita classic 105.
That's a tough song.
And since I have it at the moment, you don't wanna shine my light on.
I can give you good times and great hits.
Yes.
Wala dem amefanya nikuwe nervous.
That's clean. Now that's clean. Live. That's my line. I'm stealing it. We didn't say don't add English. We didn't say that. We didn't say don't add English. We just said a specific person doing it. And look at him, bro. Look at him what he's doing, bro. Look what he's doing, bro. He's tearing that shit up. Call me Classic 105. Why? Because I could give you good times and great hits. Imagine, clean, and running. Call me Classic 105. Because I could give you good times and great hits. For me? Like live. You see now, right? That nigga now, he's the one raising the Kenyans now. Now he's taking them up there now. Now let's compete now. You see that guy before this one, that guy just at the squad. Nah, that guy just at the team, bro. I'm just team fit. He's just at the squad. 10 years. Pirates versus Chiefs. Clean. You feel me? But like, now this guy. Now look at her, bro. Like, why she's smiling? Nah, let me screenshot that. Nah, I gotta get that clip, bro. Look how she's smiling. I'll put it here, bro. Can you see how she's smiling, bro? Like, you see what I mean? Hey, bro, some other things, bro. You just need to deliver. Deliver, Lando. Chai. Next video. Again is this guy. You see what I'm saying? I feel like this guy is the OG, bro, and he's releasing bangers. I feel like it's this guy. Cause he's smoking hard. Let's see. Let's see. Let's start it.
Kumkana kuni. Umeiva mbaya.
Look at the hands, bruh. Look at the hands, how they reacting. Like, bro, niggas just told like something about wood. Wait, let me run back. You remember my wood? Cause it's smoking hard. What starts the fire? Wood. Oh my god! Wow! And then we move on to the hand. How she's smiling, bro. Look, she's not doing that. With the hand in the teeth. She's showing him her insecurity already. She's showing him the insecurity for Ep3. Nah, I don't like my teeth. I don't like my smile. Exactly. He already got 2 in 1. He already landed 2 in 1. Nah, guys, I'm not like this. This isn't today. Like, I came with a nice spirit, bro. Like, I came, like, you feel me? Free spirit, free soul, bro. But, like, you feel me? Like, this nigga, like, he lands through them shades, there. Yeah, bro. Hey, you please. Yeah, but it's landing. Next. Exactly what I mean. Like, you see what I mean? Like, you see what I mean, bro? But you see what I mean, bro? Like, you see what I mean? Like, bro, I feel like this guy is the number 1 raiser in thingy. I feel like this guy is gonna be the guy that's gonna compete for thingy. Cause we're still gonna do elimination rounds on those videos that we're watching and see which guy is gonna compete for thing for the knockout stages for that country. Let's see what he has.
Nafasi nimesema na ubaya. Kuna kafundi. Niuliza mbona?
But I think it's about to land.
Nimesema na ubaya. No, azil una kafundi niuliza mbona?
Mbona?
Tunaona tukijangana. Nafasi nimesema na ubaya.
Exactly what I was saying, bro. Exactly what I say. It's like you look like a construction worker. Why? Because I can see us building a foundation together. Mamma mia, Prada mia is cooking me. Why is he cooking me? He's cooking me. Like, do you see that? Like, bro. This nigga is the one that's gonna compete, bruh. This guy is that one full back with the scrum cap, bruh. He's that one full back with the scrum cap, bruh. That one with the scrum cap, bruh. That skinny one, bruh. That one, bruh, that jumps everywhere, bruh. Step. Like, you feel me? He's like that, bro. He's like, every time he receives the ball, he shoots. He's like he's a striker, bruh. He is a striker. You shoot. He's a striker. At the same time, he's the 15, because when the 15 catches the ball, he tears them down. At the same time, he's a prop, because when you prop, you run into them, you clash. Like, you shoot, bruh. He's shooting. Like, bro, every time he gets the chance to play the ball, he doesn't fumble. Look at the main. I'm gonna put it again. Look at the main, bras. Like, jongani nomazana bayincume kanjani. Like, but for nini ndlathi asekho. Jonga indlathi siqinile for nezinawo jongline. Iqinile indlathi for. Iqinile le ndlathi. Iqinile indlathi yalomntana. Like, uyahleka fethu. Yabo, uyahleka ubetha nge5 head umntana. Just undini. I-edges zilapha. Yabo. But you know, grand shame. Grand. Since like the phone about, I want me a Kenyan hand. So like, you feel me? Yeah, grand shame. Grand. Yeah, like man, you can realize something. Tell something up. You about why this I want a Kenyan hand? Do you see why I say I want a Kenyan hand? Man, so make it as a screenshot. It's in the saw. If I make it as a screenshot. yithi le nto sho. Man, ndifuna unibonisa, okay? See why ndisithi ndifuna umntana waseKenya? Niyansi clip. Niyabona why ngicela into eneromuka. You see why I say I want a Kenyan hand? Yela lo mthithi uselo mntana ku-date erenkini, bra. Pam kwerenki, not even inside, fethu. Pam kwerenki, picnic. That's what you call a unique boyfriend. Picnic. Have fun, fethu. Let's not order family relationship weird. Let's have fun. Yabo? Okay, straight up, man. God. Jonga basela ndoni. Oh, maybe promo. But baselifanda, bra. Ifanda. When you cherry akuzothi, baby, let's go out. Let me take you out on a date. Yabo? What drinks do you want for nini? Coke. As Coke kwanza aside nini mna kula Coke. I do Coke. Nona selifanda for nini lene aside tiki.
Imagine being a guy and be broke.
Oh, it's Londana. We have a new guy now. Posh man. Let's get it. On.
Excuse me, ni ajeni? Naona udem. Nikiweza mdate naona nitakuwa kipofu.
Kwa nini?
Sioni tukiachana.
You see what I mean, bro? Like, you see what I mean? Gents, tap in. Tell your friends, because it's about to be crazy right now. You better get clips. If you're not getting clips, I don't know what's wrong with you. If you're not getting clips to not clips, man, lines. I don't know what's going on with you because these lines, they going crazy. You feel me? Sorry. If I dated you, I'd be blind. Because I don't see us breaking out. Sorry. I feel like if I dated you, I'd be lying. Because I don't see us breaking up. Shout out to Poshman. He delivered it. Sorry guys. The smile again. The smile. Look at the reaction. Bro, even the friend is laughing. Even the gay friend is laughing, bro. Look at the gay friend. He's also oh shit. I wish they said that to me. Like, yo, bro, like everyone is smiling, bro. Nigga landed. He landed. Shoot the shot or you're gonna get shot by yourself. Shoot the shot, bro. Can you Uzonya? Uzonya. Yeah. Shoot the shot for me. What? Next.
Shangaa katikati ya Yelo bwana. Nimekuwa nikishangaa katikati ya kucalculate 5 plus 2 na mtu kuinama ni gani kuchora 7.
Okay. I don't know what he said, but okay, if you calculate 5 plus 2, that's 7. I don't know what he said, man, but like he landed.
Stop the cap.
Chiche, he landed. Look at the hand once again. You see here, I'm looking at the hand. I don't care if I understand or I don't. Look at the hand, and you cooked in straight Swahili. Straight Swahili. Straight Fondini. Straight Swahili. Didn't miss. Look how she is, bro. And literally, he was not talking to her, but he was talking about her. That's the crazy thing. He was talking about her. And she responded with a smile. Talk to bro nicely. Respect bro's name. Like, respect bro. Why don't you wanna respect bro? You feel me? So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell your friends to tell their friends. Guys, thank you, man, for supporting me, bro. I'm happy. You guys are making me happy. I love you guys. I hope I'm also making you happy. Yeah, it's an exchange of love. It's an exchange of energies. A good one said. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I already said that. That's okay. But like, yeah, guys, Swahili Rizz. Okay, let's do the table. We don't know if Swahili beat Zulu. We don't know if Swahili beat Nigeria. It's up to you. I'm lying. So like, we have Zulu number 1, Swahili number 2. Oh, we have Zulu number 1 with 50 points. We have Nigerian Rizz with 45 points. Guys, Swahili started off bad. They started off bad. I know that. They started off bad. For real. I can't lie. For real, they started off bad. But like, they pulled their socks up, bro. And in order for me to give them this rating, I had to think. I had to see that guy, Bambo, whatever his name is. Yeah, Mambo. Yeah, I had to see Mambo. Young John. Yeah, like you can get him on the team, yeah, bro. So, here goes nothing. Swahili, we are leaving you at 25 points. Because they started off bad. Nah, I hit it. That nigga hit it. And other nigga flopped. That nigga literally flopped. Like, I didn't see the Hans reaction. I didn't get anything. That nigga flopped. This man, I don't know what he said. But like, yeah, guys, we're not there. Catch the next episode of African Language Rizz World Cup. Something new, something that has never been done. And yeah, guys, we're still gonna do some mazes with this. Trust me. I'm still gonna give you something proper. Right now, we're still here. Don't worry, guys. Watch the season 2 of this. I feel like the season 2 of this is gonna be fire. And the season 3 is gonna go crazy. The plans I have. But like, yeah, guys, don't say your plans to everyone. Because like, not everyone wishes you good. Not everyone in your life wishes you good, guys. Expect disappointments. Expect everything, but not everyone wishes you good. But all you have to do is just keep praying, bro. Keep on praying. No matter what, bro. Keep on praying, bro. Because literally, prayer is the only thing that can save you, guys. Pray. See, once you pray, bro, and include God in everything, bro, He shall show you the way.